It's nice actually being hands-on and learning.
It's really important to keep up with technology.
Our new simulation lab is going to have a big positive impact on our students. They are going to be graduating with all this extra experience and this time in a realistic environment, so that when they go out, they're ready to take care of our families and our friends because they've had this experience.
In here we're able to simulate vital signs, patient voice. It really just adds to the realism of it and suspending that disbelief, and it gives the students that really quality education piece.
So we're able to physically put in an IV, you're able to do a catheter, it's a lot more hands-on, and you're able to get walked through how to correct something. And so this really prepares us for going out into the field.
The scenario will last about 15 to 20 minutes. The time they're in there with the patient, doing the interventions. The rest of the time, so about double that, around 45 minutes, is the debriefing. And that is where they sit in small groups with their instructor. And so the learning really happens during that 45 minutes that they have with their instructor, going through the scenario step by step, what went well, what didn't go well.
These simulation labs started coming into play because there's a lot of competition for clinical spots. There's thousands of students in this area, and so we really felt it was important to be able to do some clinical time in the simulation lab and have that experiential learning.
I like that it prepares you by giving you the steps you would do to ensure that your patient becomes, stable and that they're getting the care that they need. I really love how lifelike everything is.